Google Pixel 9a versus iPhone 16e. When it comes to screen real estate, the Google Pixel 9a boasts a slightly larger 6.3 inches display compared to the 6.1 inches of the iPhone 16e. This means more immersive content viewing and a better experience for multitasking. Whether you're watching videos or scrolling through social media, that extra space can make a difference. Both devices come with a powerful 48-megapixel main camera, but the Google Pixel 9a includes an additional 13-megapixel ultrawide lens, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes and group photos with ease. The versatility of this dual-camera setup means you won't miss a moment. Both the Google Pixel 9a and iPhone 16e offer options of 128GB and 256GB with 8GB RAM. However, the iPhone 16e takes it a step further with a 512GB option. This means more space for your apps, photos, and videos, giving you the flexibility to store what you love without compromise. The Pixel 9a features a resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, while the iPhone 16e offers a slightly sharper 1170 by 2532 pixels. This means that the iPhone's display will deliver more detail, making everything from gaming to watching movies a visually stunning experience. The Google Pixel 9a runs on the powerful Google Tensor G4, ensuring seamless performance and efficiency. In contrast, the iPhone 16e utilizes the Apple A18 chip, which is known for its speed and optimization. This means both devices can handle heavy tasks, but the choice of chipset may sway your decision based on your preference for Android or iOS. With a robust 5100 mAh battery, the Google Pixel 9a outshines the iPhone 16e's 4005 mAh battery. This larger capacity means longer usage times, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing. If battery life is a priority, the Pixel 9a is a strong contender. The Google Pixel 9a has a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, perfect for capturing group selfies and wide-angle shots. In comparison, the iPhone 16e features a 12-megapixel wide selfie camera, which still delivers great quality but lacks that extra angle. For social media lovers, the Pixel's ultra-wide can be a game changer. The Google Pixel 9a combines a glass front with an aluminum frame and plastic back, offering a stylish yet durable design. The iPhone 60e, on the other hand, features a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel. Both are visually appealing, but the choice may boil down to personal taste. The Google Pixel 9a is powered by the innovative Google Tensor G4, while the iPhone 16e utilizes the advanced Apple A18 chipset. Both are designed for top-notch performance, but the Apple A18's efficiency and speed often give it the edge in real-world usage scenarios. The Pixel 9a features a POLED display with HDR and a stunning peak brightness of 2700 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. The iPhone 16e offers a Super Retina XDR OLED display with HDR10, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. Both are impressive, but the Pixel's brightness can be a game changer in bright environments. When it comes to video recording, the Google Pixel 9a can shoot 4K at 3060 FPS and offers impressive slow-motion options. The iPhone 16e also supports 4K video but provides more frame rate options. For videographers, both devices are capable, but the choice may depend on specific needs. In a competitive market, the Google Pixel 9a is priced at $600, while the iPhone 16e is just $1 less at $599. This close pricing means you're getting top-tier tech from both brands, but your choice might hinge on which features matter most to you.